Okay, most photos you find on the internet, you can search by textual methods. Just describe what's in the photo. If it is like this, a picture of a letter, you can type in words that you see on the letter. In this case, this is supposedly a letter from the University of Bern to Einstein that says, while you posed an interesting theory in your article, we feel that your conclusions about the nature of light and the fundamental connections between space and time are somewhat radical, etc., etc., etc. So you can take that text, you can plug it into Google, and you can search on that to see if anybody has done a fact check on this supposed rejection letter to Einstein. Sometimes it is faster to do a reverse image search, and in Google Chrome, remember this, use Google Chrome for these activities. In Google Chrome, you can find that under search Google for image. Other browsers have other methods, but we always demo with Google Chrome. So search Google for image. And then always remember to change this thing up here, this auto-suggested search term to something really generic. We're just going to put in letter. Now, the first results you get up here may not be particularly useful. They're coming off of that search term. But then what we'll find here is that there is a Snopes fact check on this. It turns out to be false. It can be proven to be false for a number of reasons. Number one, it's the University of Bern writing a letter in English, but leave that aside for the moment. Same thing can be done with this. This is supposedly a photo of all these world leaders just crowding around Vladimir Putin because he's the center of attention, right? They all want Vladimir Putin's ear. Is it a true photo? Again, we could textually describe the photo and talk about world leaders crowded around Putin and see if someone has looked into this, but it may be easier, especially on Google Chrome, to search Google for image. And again, the stuff up here is not useful. Let's change this. This says Putin with world leaders. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to put photo. The most bland search term we can put, because I don't want any confirmation bias in this at all. And what do we find? We find Business Insider is talking about a fake photo. The Australian News Network is talking about a fake photo. AOL, etc. Quora. So again, we find information very quickly that shows us that this is fake. So use these tips in the next couple questions.